Cash flow is the movement of money in and out of a business or personal finances over a specific period. It's a key measure of financial health, showing whether you have enough cash to cover expenses, invest in opportunities, or manage unexpected costs. Unlike profit, which includes non-cash items, cash flow focuses only on actual money transactions. Cash flow is categorized into three types: operating cash flow, investing cash flow, and financing cash flow. Operating cash flow refers to money generated from day-to-day activities like sales revenue, minus expenses such as rent, salaries, and utilities. For example, if a store earns $50,000 in sales but spends $30,000 on operating costs, the operating cash flow is $20,000. Positive operating cash flow indicates the business can sustain itself through its core operations. Investing cash flow shows money spent on or earned from investments like purchasing equipment or selling assets. For example, buying a new machine for $10,000 results in a negative cash flow from investing activities, but it may signal growth if the investment boosts production. Financing cash flow tracks cash from funding activities, such as loans, issuing shares, or repaying debts. For example, taking out a $50,000 loan and repaying $10,000 during the same period would result in a net financing cash flow of $40,000. Cash flow is summarized in a cash flow statement, a core financial document that provides a clear picture of liquidity, or how much cash is available to cover immediate needs. Positive cash flow means you're earning more money than you're spending, which is crucial for growth, paying off debt, or reinvesting in the business. For example, a company with $100,000 in inflows and $70,000 in outflows has $30,000 in positive cash flow, which can be used to expand operations or save for future needs. On the other hand, negative cash flow, where outflows exceed inflows, might indicate trouble, especially if it persists over time. For example, a startup might experience negative cash flow while investing heavily in product development, but it would need sufficient funding to survive. For individuals, cash flow works the same way. Positive cash flow means your income exceeds your expenses, allowing you to save, invest, or spend on extras. Negative cash flow might indicate overspending or excessive debt payments, which can lead to financial challenges. In summary, cash flow tracks the money coming in and going out, ensuring enough liquidity to meet expenses, invest in growth, and handle unexpected events. By monitoring cash flow, businesses and individuals can make informed financial decisions, plan for the future, and maintain stability in their finances.